another video for our new feature, which is CNAME and white labeling. So basically this feature will be really useful for the agency owners who want to provide this solution to their customers into their particular branding or their particular URL. So for that, this feature is really helpful. So before jumping into that, let me show you how it is going to work, and how can you remove the branding and how can you add the CNAME as per your need. So this is the one campaign which we created. Now let's go to the editor. So basically this CNAME and the remove branding features is available in higher plan of Gamify Route. So as per your subscription, you are able to see this this feature is available or not. So for example, here our branding is there in the footer. You can just click on that, and here if your plan is eligible for this remove branding, then you are able to basically just off this branding, or maybe you can change the branding as per your need. So this is the one thing. Another thing, when you publish it, we are going to the check what game URL we are going to generate over there. So here you are able to see this is the reward.gamifyroute.link. So basically if you send this URL to someone, then they are going to know that you are using the Gamify Route as a solution. But if you want to hide them, then we have a CNAME solution for you. So basically for that, when you click on the edit, you have a multiple domains over here. By default, we support 3 subdomains to generate the play URL. So one is the reward, second one is the play, and third one is the price. Now if you add your CNAME, then your custom URL will be displayed over here. So let's go there and just add that. So for that, you need to go to the business setting. So this setting is a business level. So for example, if you have some brand and if you have a multiple CNAMEs or multiple agency need to handle, that's why this setting is at the business level. You need to go to the custom domain. Here you just need to read all the instruction over there. So basically what you have to do, whatever domain or subdomain you want to use as your gamification link, you just need to create a CNAME for that, and you need to point to this particular URL. Okay, so let me do this for you once as a demo. So right now we have a one domain called the Gamify Way, and now we want to use this URL as our play URL. So for that, we need to create one CNAME and we need to point that to this particular domain. So just click on here. Now here, okay, here I am using Cloudflare as my DNS provider. Your DNS provider will be different, like GoDaddy or any other domain DNS provider. So just click on add record. Here you need to select the CNAME. Now I want to create a URL, like for example game.gamifyway.com, and I just need to point to this particular domain. Okay, save. So now my URL will be a game.gamifyway.com, which is right now pointing to domain.gamifyroute.link. Now I need to go here and I need to add custom domain. Here I need to provide whatever URL I have created. So it's a game.gamifyway.com. Also I need to assign the workspace. So in which particular workspace this domain name should be displayed. So I need to select. So as of now I am only having a one workspace, but if you have a multiple workspace, it will be displayed over here. Just select it and just save custom domain. So if the DNS is propagated properly, then it will able to show you this particular success and your domain will be added over there. If mostly DNS will took a couple of hours to propagate, so if it is not properly propagated, then it will be not added. So you need to wait for that. So basically your CNAME is added. Now you need to assign this particular CNAME to your campaign. So for that, let's go to our application. Here in our application, we need to go to the detail, then publish. Okay, so here basically when we earlier checked that there is only a 3 URL over here. Now if you select that, there is a fourth one which we recently added as a CNAME. So this is also added over there. You just need to select that and save. So once you save that, all the things like all the URLs and all things will be automatically changed. Even QR code URL will be automatically changed. And now you are able to use this particular your custom URL to share with your customers. Let me just okay. So this game.gamifyway.com is now able to work on that. So this is basically a quick overview. How can you add the CNAME and how can you uh, share this particular gamification with your customer without revealing it is using Gamify Route. So you can just make them as a service and you can just provide them to your customers. I hope this will help you. If you have any questions or if you want to provide any suggestion, just reach out to us and we are happy to help you on that. Thanks.